because this video is going to be focused on a great protected back to school hairstyle. We basically just went ahead and washed Paige hair.
Now you're gonna see my another video.
Stop please. We basically went ahead and washed Paige hair. All you're going to need for this is a pack of braiding hair.
And this is what Mom.
You're gonna need some rubber bands.
Yes, you need rubber bands every time.
You're gonna need some foam spray. I have the lock and braid foam spray. I got this at my local beauty supply store. You're going to need some bobos. And you'll also need some beads, okay?
And you need some of this too.
Yes, and you'll need some shea butter. That is just to grease the hair after it being washed. So basically, what we are going to do, we are going to part this.
We are going to really do my hair really cute. So you want to see another video?
Yes, you guys are gonna see. She has really curly hair, y'all.
Yeah, and you see my curly hair bouncing around? My hair is bouncing all day. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Listen to my hair. Now the face. Ow, Mom, why hurting so much?
So you want to just section this off into ponytails.
I would just like this and that one. So, I play Roblox. So you should play Roblox. I can play Roblox. I played the whole time when people can play Roblox. Except of me, Tori, and I got a bunny, and I got a bunch of cousins. And it's about to be Tori's birthday. It's right now. Right? So guys, I made this big tower and you should look. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I got 9 steps. So guys, my mom just brushed my hair and my head is crooked. And I'm trying to do my head.
Mom. Your rubber band.
Okay. Oh, please hold on. Yes, I did. I'm gonna give you a rubber band. Where's the top? This is how you open it. I did not need your help. Yeah.
I didn't want you to open it like that. Just like that.
Do you want my hair like this? Do you want my hair like this? Do you want my hair like this? Oh, man, no. Yes, but I want it. No, I don't want it. I don't want it like that. I 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 want it like that. It's going to be all done soon. Mom, I want it like this. Please, can I have it like this? Can I have it like this? Mom, can you really home?
You have what?
My hair like this.
Hey, can you just sit?
Stop holding it. Stop holding it. Stop holding it like this.
Okay, y'all. So look down for the camera. We're gonna do this
Yes.
all over. Show them your head. Okay, so this is how it looks once we have completed all of the ponytails turned. Okay, so we're getting ready to start with this one. I left this one untwisted. It's just easier to go ahead and twist them up so the hair is out the way when you are braiding and the extension. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this hair, and we're going to start braiding it in. All right, so turn your head, turn. All right, so we're going to go ahead and separate this into 3 pieces. It's going to make it easier for you to go ahead and braid. I like to wet my hands. Everyone does not. Please stop. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. This is gonna make it easier for it to blend in with the extension. I took a nice thick chunk.
I did not sleep when it was dark.
Lean over. And then we're just going to add that in. Like so. I think I'm gonna feed it in like this. Yeah, okay. Instead of doing it like that, I'm gonna feed it in like that because I want it to be around. Because I want to try and hide as much as her hair as possible.
Breathe it down. I need to breathe it down. Breathe.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how I hide the black hair when I install the
We're gonna do
neon
pink, 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 pink. Don't look at it. It's not here. Look. This one, you guys, is right here. It's not right here. See, guys? I knew you could see it. Oh, wow. Oh, my God, oh, my God. Oh, ow.
Put your head down. Look at turn. Put your head down, turn. Thank you. Paige. Oh my God.
Yay! I got a mom. Got that little red Shake it up, man.
Alright, so we're just about at the end. We've already put the beads on this side and we're about to bead up this side. And then we're gonna show you guys
The little crystal.
what you want from me.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7, guys. I thought I had 6. Let's count now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 3. I got 4. So let's use my turn. Now you put it on my lap. Disappear in the other hand. Okay. Okay.
Y'all, the pink one is the longest one.
The longest one in the whole world.
So,
and look guys, my magic cord. Let me just get it back. Mommy got it something and hid it. And knocked it. So guys, this is our apartment and I think my hair is definitely guys. Watch our video to do my hair. It actually hurts a little bit, but it's not funny this time.